Frásaí na seachtaine Siopadóireacht 2. Play and pause this video as you move down through the page. You must get out of your seats and try to do the actions by Friday, so can you answer the questions without looking at the actual answers. Fai, Yoig, Mean, Far. Cad me leis scéal an féidir leat cabhrúlum is féidir. Cá bhaigh mé fiol? Yoig tú fiol sa siopa an bhuaistéire. Cá bhaigh mé leabhar nua? Yoig tú leabhar sa siopa leabhar. Cá bhfuil an siopa sport? Cad ba bhíonn leat sa siopa sport? Ba bhíonn lom cumáin. Cá bhfuil an bialann? Cad ba bhíonn leat sa bhialann? Ba bhíonn lom béla. Cén siopa is fearr leat? Is fearr lom siopa sport. Excuse me, can you help me? I can. Where will I get meat? You will get meat in the butcher's shop. Where will I get a new book? You will get a book in the bookshop. Where is the sports shop? What do you wish for in the sports shop? I wish or I want a come on a hurley. Where is the restaurant? What do you wish for in the restaurant? I wish for or I would like or I want béla, a meal. What is your favourite shop? My favourite shop is the shop of sport. Bhaigh is the future tense when you're asking the question will get. Where will I get meat? And the answer is yoig. I will get yoig. Ba bhíonn lom means I wish, but you can also use it for I want, I need. Sa bhíolann, the sa creates the H and changes the sound to a V sound. Sa bhíolann. Is fearr lom we use when you prefer something or it's your favourite. Is fearr lom and siopa sport. By Friday, try answer the questions without looking at the actual answers.